Hello kids, now we'll learn alphabet A from C and number 1 to 3 with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's get started. A for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for coconut. One. Two. Three. A for apple, one apple. B for banana, three banana. B for banana, two banana. C for coconut, three coconut. C for coconut, three coconut. Thank you.